Amidst the ongoing conflict, though several relief packages have been given for the affected victims of the crisis, the relief camp opened at New Keithelmanbi, which is situated under Red Zone, has not been receiving rice for the past 1 month. Further, during the 7-month-long crisis, a meagre sum of Rs 1,000 was being provided by the state authority for the families staying in the relief camp. However, after that, no form of monetary assistance has been made available for the inmates staying in this relief camp. The revelation came to light when reporters of ELITETV conducted a field visit at the relief camp, which is being opened at Wisdom Palace School at New Keithelmanbi. Speaking on behalf of all the inmates of the relief camp, one Laishram Khomdol, while speaking to ELITETV, expressed that currently 150 inmates are taking shelter in the relief camp. However, there seems to be misrepresentations by the relief committee of the number of inmates taking shelter in the relief camp, and in order to verify the total number of inmates, requests were already made to the concerned department for conducting survey. But till date, no officials of the state authority have visited the relief camp, and no rice has also been provided for the inmates for since the past 1 month.
Relief camp is the music Hana, Taikana, the Gitavang, Sudan, Son of Mayam, relief camp is Lloyd Tunjanare. Tunjanar, President Quena, Masi Tunjalo, Sakada, Quena, Madugidu, Quena Kitang Hakada, Hamatum Madu, Sakana Madu, Kitang, Quena, Havaji. Kung ajan bagi mong man bagi mong masum labor na kung na application na mo ida survey mo lapiro aduga ekoi relief camp se kitang sakthona ba tawjana ba na hajadana hosi ekoi relief camp se koi sewa man ke mi yam da mi yang khai ga taruk mu khatang lejari aduga tawde ba ko anu bulak pajik je se ekoi na lekai jina sillaga hosi moibo bijak pitak taraga koi bunna mi niar koi chana khimya mo ki chang je koi hosi bijaraga koi hanagi khara lemba chengdu taraga hoji pijaraga leiri adugo koi sarkari sadigi hoji piraiba chengju koi thamagi meya phajale cheng piraktabase aduna masiju sakana tang ning sangjam biraga kitang masiju khara thuna tang yenjaningi maramdi ka ginada Keithelmanbi khulasi haiba kuki khunjuga het tanina tanaba masi phutlom da lamna mafamni masi haiba mafamje akoina kagimba khunjasina kitang kidana khotna leithok chengba matamda koi haiba mafamje akoi amona changbang ngamdawi.
Due to a 7-month-long crisis, the inmates have been rendered unable to find any job in order to earn for their livelihoods, and during such situation, the state government had only provided sum of Rs 1,000 per family in the month of October, and since then, no other form of assistance has been provided to this relief camp. Further, other inmates who have again come back to this relief camp are unable to get any facility from the state authority, and they express dissatisfactions over such inactivity and not taking any actions by the state government.
Sure, aham bagi cha anisu bagi cha je lan ho mutung da ai tha manga sure miron gi ba adudagi lebam chabang khangdana yumda lektaba ngasi ga thana tare musura mani ko ado yumda angang de delivery tor mutung da si relief camp de leba leiri jai tha makham phare do sarkar da de gi mingje chanbi de ba male hoji ado relief camp de lega cha ba thakpo gi di ai ste dum lejare do angang che lebana angang gi wa pa me ama lei adu sarkar na khara ming chingin bi hajili sarkar na akoi relief camp de lebe tha taruk tare thaijala bisi manung jidai da relief camp da pibi raiba disina pibi raiba si cheng hawai khara pirai adudai ju matam puire piraktaba aduga paisa oina lupa lising amamga kampalamga piraiba sina sarkar na sijina akoi awaba si ko obadra yaragadra habedo aigi motagi phongtok chaningi pende moina akoi bu awana taraba akoi leiriba mafam jidaida karino moina hanna yengbidaba mayamgi chakthung du bokta matik chana pibidri basi kari marangino